Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Hello, people. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. Actually, today is Friday. All are known that Friday is special for Muslim. As a Muslim, we need to go to mosques. We need to go to mosques for Salat 5 times in a day. Uh, Friday is also special. Actually, every Friday I must try to go mosques with my kids. Actually, they are very interested to me. They are very interested to me to go uh, mosques for salat. Actually, my kids are students of madrasa education. Actually, I am trying to learn them uh, namaz and Sahih hadith. I am trying to inspire them to learn positive things. However, prayer for my whole family. Actually, if Allah help them to be a good person. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.